Today's workshop is about comparing the different tools, features, instruments, actors, platforms of constitutional governance and how these features are used and abused by autocrats to undermine the rule of law and retrench democracy.
This workshop touches exactly upon these issues, the intersection between political system, judiciary, governance, stability, values we have in our society. What I also liked very much was the attempt to find workable solutions. That was what caught my attention and motivated me to apply.
It was very interesting to me to see what are the ways to keep people engaged. So what are the ways to request feedback, what are the ways to engage in a discussion. So I really liked, it was very interactive, the time flew by. I think I'm going to bring with me a lot of methodological knowledge from today, not only insights from the topic.
We have quite a number of countries that are being represented and everybody have their backgrounds in different jurisdictions. And it's interesting to see how similar phenomena are happening all across the world in a comparative manner.
There are so many people from different backgrounds, from different countries that during our workshop and during the discussion I learned a lot about other legal systems.
Yeah, I thought the workshop has so far been really good in the sense that it has been really interactive. The professors would give out one keyword and then everybody is just jumping out with ideas, with examples from their own backgrounds, which was really enlightening to an extent. And I couldn't keep up with that at a particular point.
Together with Ivo, we are both reconstitution scholars, and reconstitution is really great at trying to make a positive impact in the society, not only in academic writings. And we are really hoping with this very diverse cohort of students and participants that if everyone takes away just one idea, what they can change out there in their real life, be it writing an article or opening up a small course for discussion, we really hope that we can start a certain trend of people doing their own things.